She's got it covered. The mud foundation is in place. Now some soft furnishing for the finishing touch. He's brought some too. Or not. It's too late to be a perfectionist. This will have to do. With a couple of hungry chicks on the way, he needs to step up his game. A few days later, and it looks like she's kicked him out into the rain. But in fact, he's doing his part. They share the job of incubating the eggs. 12 hours on, 12 hours off for the next 3 weeks. Until one day, chicks arrive. Now the male really has to prove himself. Worms are a good start, but the chicks are bottomless pits. He's got to do better.
Fish.
The bigger the meal, the harder it is to catch. Got it. He may not be much of a builder, but it turns out to be a great provider.
Hard to swallow.
Bliss. Rocky overhangs are the only place Picathartes will build their nest, so they owe their existence to the stream that carved out their boulder fortress.
Oh, that's pretty picky.
This stream, and thousands of others like it, form a network that merge and feed the great rivers of Central Africa.
Oh,